Dinigin ng Makati Regional Trial Court ngayong araw ang hiling na hold departure order ni James Yap para hindi makalabas sa bansa si Chris Aquino at ang kanilang anak. Hiniling din ng kampo ni Yap kay Aquino na pag-usapan na lang ng pribado ang issue. Darito ang report ni Nelson Cadlas.
Pinaglalaban na kita, Pinday. Love na love kita. Kung ano yung pinaglalaban ko dito, kung ano mo yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito, dahil mahal ko ang anak ko.
Para hindi makalabas ng bansa si Chris Aquino kasama ang kanyang anak gaya ng plano nila ngayong Semana Santa, humingi ng hold departure order sa Makati Regional Trial Court si James Yap laban sa dalawa. Kasunod lang niya ng pagkaka-issue ng temporary protection order ng korte para di malapitan ng basketballista si Chris at ang kanilang anak.
In a situation where two parents are quarreling about custody or visitation, the court can exercise such remedial measures as to protect the welfare of the child. And one such measure is a hold departure order where the child should not be taken away from either parent.
Sagot naman ng abogado ni Chris.
First, because this is not a criminal case. A court issues a hold departure order only against an accused where there are indications that he is a flight risk. This is not a criminal case. And Mr. Yap should be reminded that the petitioner here is Chris, and he is the respondent. So why would Chris file a petition then leave the country as if there's a danger for her not to come back?
Para saan pa raw ang pagpigil ni James na makapagbakasyon ng anak, gayong hindi niya naman ito makikita ng 30 araw dahil sa utos ng korte.
The purpose of this trip is to fulfill the promise of Chris to her son that this summer vacation, she will bring him to Paris to go to Disneyland. But here comes a father who thinks only of himself, and he wants this trip stopped. So that will give you an idea of what kind of a person the father is.
It is not about preventing Chris to travel. It is not about preventing the child to enjoy a holiday, which was a promised vacation. It is to ensure that the court and the parties can come to an agreement and that the best interest of the child will be taken care of. And that cannot be done if the child and the parent who is the complainant are not around.
Iringgin ng korte ang hiling ng kampo ni James na hold departure order.
I hope that she sees it in her heart to start talking to James, and for James also, if he's listening to this, to talk to Chris. Let us pray for the families to keep their privacies.
Para sa unang balita, Nelson Canlas reporting.